Yes, leftovers. Yes. So this is what my room's looking like at the moment, because obviously I've just not long come home. I've got to unbox all of this, and then I'm heading back to Newport today to get the rest of my stuff and eventually fix that back door.
Camberwell Grove, so just a few blocks up.
Hey. But thanks anyway. Yeah, thanks anyway. That was good. Cheers. It's the fun bit of road. Hey. So this is the fun bit of road when no one's quite sure who's going where. So I've got to pack all this up, my clothes, got 2 tubs to do it, books, don't think that's going to fit in, it's going to be interesting anyway, so yeah, here we go. Not quite sure how that's getting in the car. Do you want to go and get the overhaul? Yeah? Sen, you wouldn't even know a hole in the wall was there. Right, let's get all this downstairs now. Hello?
Still bits down there to do that.
What is there?
Yeah, there's a bit.
Fuck your blog.
Moth. Spider. Moth. Spider. No one appreciates the moth. Big bacon and cake. Big. James, what are you going to do?
Smash shit over my head, but I'm not going to do it now.
Why not?
Because it's shit.
Yeah, but what made you come up with the idea of smashing sheep shit over your head?
What with it? It's not that, it's not a sheep shit. It just is not a sheep shit.
What animal do you reckon produced that?
I don't know. I think it's cow maybe, or a wild man.
It's just someone's idea of a bad joke, basically. They've cut this tree down, which used to be amazing, and now they've made the most awful chair
Scottish.
out of.
Scottish log for it, don't they?
Yeah, but they don't do it like that. They do it like that.
I thought they got that then.
No. No, they do it like that.
No, big.
Do it like that and they go.
James, or big, demonstrate the amazing chair. Looks really comfy. James,
Can't do it.
these are the port loos. James, have a look. What's in the middle one? It smells awful.
Go in.
Oh, Jesus. Oh, God.
Francis phoning.
Best ringtone in the world, ain't it?
So for some reason I decided to just show you whereabouts I live. So here it is.
This is the park.
This is the woods.
This is a field full of sheep.
This is the garages.
This is the swing. And this is the prison. This is out of bounds.
This place, James.
It's a barn.
This is the big barn.
So me, James, Big and Kate are going to go down the bow.
They're not coming now.
They're not coming.
No.
Me and James are going to go down the bow. And yeah. Got my my Stoford press. So James, you enjoying your Stowford, James?
What?
You enjoying your Stowford?
Yeah, I'm enjoying more of the press side actually.
Yeah. Stowford press.
'Cause it wouldn't be the Stowford without the pressing.
It's very true.
Like now. Here you are again.
It's good at it. Enjoying my Stowford.